Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the best essential oil diffusers for large rooms, the InnoGear 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser with remote control. If you're someone who enjoys a soothing, aromatic environment at home or at the office, this diffuser could be the perfect addition to your space. The InnoGear diffuser stands out because of its large 500 ml water capacity, which is ideal for larger rooms, as it can run for up to 18 hours on a single fill. Whether you need a strong mist for a few hours or a gentler one for the entire day, the diffuser offers versatile mist settings. You can adjust it to continuous or intermittent mode, with strong or weak mist flows, depending on your preference. One of the standout features of this model is the convenience of the remote control. You can easily adjust the mist settings, turn the diffuser on or off, or even change the light without having to get up from the comfort of your couch or bed. The remote control has a range of 16.5 feet, making it super convenient for controlling everything from a distance. Let's talk about the lighting options. This diffuser offers 8 different colors of LED light, each with 2 brightness settings, perfect for setting the right mood. You can choose to let the colors cycle or select one particular color to create a serene ambiance. And if you prefer no light at all, you can turn off the lights while still enjoying the benefits of the mist. The ultrasonic technology in the InnoGear diffuser ensures that the mist is released upwards, helping to efficiently humidify the air and disperse the essential oils throughout the room without worrying about wet furniture. It's perfect for creating a calming atmosphere, particularly in dry environments. This diffuser also comes with multiple timer settings, allowing you to set it to turn off after 1, 2, or 3 hours. It also has an auto-off function when the water runs out, so you don't have to worry about it running dry. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, this diffuser is both durable and safe, with a sleek design that fits perfectly into any room's decor. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting performance. In terms of ease of use, the InnoGear diffuser is hard to beat. The large water tank is easy to refill, and the whole setup takes just minutes. Plus, it's lightweight, weighing only 1.34 pounds, making it easy to move around your home or office as needed. So if you're looking for a reliable, quiet, and effective essential oil diffuser for your large room, the InnoGear 500 ml Essential Oil Diffuser with remote control is definitely worth considering. With its customizable mist and light options, extended runtime, and remote control convenience, it's designed to elevate your aromatherapy experience to a whole new level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more reviews like this.